We are the Clever Marketers, and we want to tell you why you need to take this course. And it all starts with the expertise and experience that we can bring you. We have over 25 years plus, and that experience is at top tier retailers, working for the government. And then in the last 15 years, our own business, working with our clients from scratch with ideas from beginning to end, which is what we're bringing you. This is a 3-week, 6-module course that you're going to be able to do, and it's called the Startup Method.
So the startup method, and the reason that we think you should join, is you've probably got a marketing idea that you never thought could come to fruition. Well, with this course, you can bring that idea to life. So it's really a do-it-yourself approach. And because it's pre-recorded, you can do it on your own schedule, at your own time and leisure. Unlike work we do with our clients, where there's so much back and forth, it can take months and months and months. This course is an all at your own pace, no thousands of dollars for agencies. You have us for $498, not thousands, and you get all that we bring to our clients just for you.
The course content is going to deliver everything from business development to SEO, how to build your website step by step. So what we're going to give you right now is a little snippet of the first module, which is my module on business development and specifically positioning. For business development, of course, it's about setting goals and key performance indicators, which we're going to cover in module 2. But so much of it starts with environmental scanning, which is looking at the marketplace. And so when we look at the marketplace, we're understanding where are the opportunities. As I mentioned earlier, what are those trends, growth, things that are happening, and looking at our competitors. But it's also looking at our target. And so I want to talk about that because we're going to get into more detail about it. But the target is so crucial because it all starts with a need and a want. Everyone needs something, whether it's shelter, food, love, acceptance. They're all needs. And as marketers, we're creating the want. So I want you to want my product. If you're hungry, I want you to go to my restaurant or stop at my fast food location. So it's about creating the want and differentiating yourself that they want your product over someone else's. And that's what we're going to spend the time on, is you determining for your product or service, what need are you fulfilling? Our course members have already told us that this information is invaluable. It's the content and the way it's delivered. They say it's tangible, accessible, and it's going to actually let them do it themselves and feel confident about doing it. It's modules that are just over an hour each. You're going to be able to watch at your own pace, as Tiff mentioned. And there are, approximately 30 tools that you're going to be able to download and keep and make it applicable to your business. So as another little snippet, let's show one of Tiff and her step-by-step approach to building your website.
To start building out your site, you're going to click here. Okay, so we got here. Now I'm going to show you how the pages and your menu works. So in order to start a page, let's say that's your home page or your About Us page, whatever page you'd like to start on, you would click the green paper icon on the left, Wix Editor, and it says Pages and Menu, which is perfect. That's what you want. You're going to go in here and you're on Site Menu. The other items under here are more for an e-commerce store, which you can look at, but we're going to stick with the basic website for now. So you'd hit your Site Menu. You can see there's your coming soon landing page, which is live. And you're going to add a page. Okay, so you want to choose a template for your new page. That's your next step. So, and every page can have a different template, but you're always going to keep with your look and feel and your colors and your branding and your logo and all of that kind of stuff so that it all looks consistent. If you're asking yourself, is this the right course for me? Well, of course it is. Do you have a busy job? Did you graduate from school recently? Or do you need additional job training? Well, this course is everything you need to know to get started. It's what we teach our clients, and we're going to teach you too. And don't worry, you won't be disappointed.
So sign up today. It's that easy. Or if you do have any questions or hesitancy, please just email us at info@clevermarketers.com. We'll answer any questions, and we promise you there's no risk here. It is absolutely worth it, and we can't wait to get you on board.